A post just went viral. 6.3 million views. It shows how to turn Claude into your own personal trainer. No app, no subscription, just an AI coach that knows your body, remembers every workout, and programs your sessions for free. Let me show you exactly how to build it. Right now, people pay $50 to $100 a month for a personal trainer, and half the time they cancel, forget your goals, or give you the same cookie cutter plan as everyone else. YouTube tutorials? Those aren't personalized. You waste hours searching through workout videos that weren't designed for your body, your equipment, or your injuries. What if Claude could do all of that instantly and remember everything? The secret is Claude projects. Go to claude.ai and click projects on the left sidebar. Then hit new project. Name it something like My PT or Hawks PT. Projects let Claude remember instructions, files, and context across every conversation. Think of it as hiring a trainer who never forgets your lifts, never cancels, and is available 24/7. Now paste in your instructions. This is where you define Claude's identity. Tell it, you are a personal trainer, AI built for me, direct, knowledgeable, evidence based, no fluff. Talk like a coach who actually trains. Then add your athlete profile, your name, training experience, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. Your goal, hypertrophy, strength, fat loss, or general fitness. Your schedule, equipment access, and any injuries. Next comes the current working weights section. List your actual working weights, not one rep maxes. Chest, back, shoulders, arms, legs. These are the numbers Claude will use to program your sessions. If you're new to the gym, leave these blank. Claude will start you light and use week 1 to find your baseline. Then add the programming rules. Use RPE based loading, 7 to 8 for hypertrophy, 8 to 9 for strength. Never calculate from percentages. Progressive overload. Add weight when you hit the top of your rep range at target RPE for 2 straight sessions. Suggest deloads every 4 to 6 weeks. File 1. The exercise library. This is where you tell Claude which exercises you can do, which you'd prefer a substitute for, and which to never program. For every exercise, mark it. Yes, can do. Sub, can do, but prefer a replacement. Or no, injury, equipment, or personal preference. Cover lower body quads, posterior chain, upper push, upper pull, arms, core, and calves. Add notes too, like only with safety bar or elbow pain on heavy curls. This is the most important file. The more honest you are, the better your programs will be. File 2, the lift log. Don't edit this one, just paste it in. After every training session, come back and add your workout. The format is date, session name, exercise, sets times reps, weight, RPE, and notes. Include how you felt, energy, sleep, anything notable. Never delete old entries. They're your source of truth. After a few sessions, the lift log takes over from working weights as Claude's primary reference. File 3, the 12-week program template. This tracks your working weight progress across blocks. Record your starting weights, then end of week 4, week 8, and week 11. It also has a notes and adjustments log for each week. Week 1 is calibration. Week 4 is end of block 1. Week 8, check your progress. Week 12, assess, and plan the next cycle. This gives Claude the big picture of your training journey. Now, the 6 power prompts. Prompt 1: First time setup. Tell Claude to read your exercise library, lift log, and program template, acknowledge what it knows, and flag anything missing. Prompt 2: Build your program. Ask for a full 4-day plan with block periodization: 4 weeks building volume, 4 weeks increasing intensity, 3 weeks heavy, 1 week deload. Get day 1 in full detail with exercises, sets, reps, weights, and RPE targets. Prompt 3: Beginner starting point. If you're new, ask Claude for a conservative 4-day program with week 1 as a calibration week to find your working weights. Prompt 4: Swap and exercise. When something hurts or doesn't feel right, tell Claude which exercise to swap. It'll find the best replacement that hits the same muscle group and fits your current block. Prompt 5: Deload week. Ask for a full deload with the same exercises but reduced volume and intensity. And prompt 6: The plateau buster. When you've been stuck at the same weight for multiple sessions, tell Claude the lift, the weight, and how long you've stalled. It'll look at your log, diagnose why, and give you a 3-week plan to break through. Maybe extra volume, a technique variation, or a strategic reset. This is where Claude goes from chatbot to actual coach. That's it, your own personal trainer. It knows your stats, your injuries, your history. It programs your sessions, adjusts when you stall, and never charges a dime. 81 days until summer. The setup takes 5 minutes. The results last forever. If this was helpful, subscribe. We turn AI into real world tools every single week. Hit the short version for the quick overview or try the setup yourself right now.